Hey fitness lovers and dance enthusiasts, are you tired of boring workouts that feel like torture? What if I told you there's a way to torch calories, sculpt your body, and have an absolute blast doing it? Today we're diving into something that's going to revolutionize your fitness routine, and I guarantee by the end of this video, you'll be jumping off your couch ready to move. We're talking about Dance Party Hiit, the ultimate fusion that's taking the fitness world by storm. But first, let me ask you something. How many times have you started a workout routine only to quit after a few days because it felt like a chore? Or maybe you love dancing but wish it could give you the same results as those intense gym sessions? Well, what if I told you that you can literally dance your way to your dream body while having the time of your life? Sounds too good to be true, right? Stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how this works and why celebrities and fitness experts are going crazy for this approach. Now, before we jump into the fun stuff, let's talk about what makes this combination so incredibly powerful. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, has been scientifically proven to be one of the most effective ways to burn calories both during and after your workout. We're talking about that magical afterburn effect, where your body continues torching calories for hours after you finish sweating. But here's where most people struggle with traditional HIIT workouts are intense, they're repetitive, and let's be honest, they can be pretty intimidating, especially if you're just starting out. That's where the magic of dance comes in. When you combine the proven effectiveness of HIIT with the pure joy and expression of dance, something incredible happens. Your brain releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that naturally boost your mood and energy levels. You're no longer watching the clock, counting down the seconds until your workout is over. Instead, you're lost in the music, expressing yourself, and having genuine fun while your body works harder than it ever has before. Let me paint you a picture of what a typical Dance Party HIIT session looks like. Imagine starting with an upbeat warm-up that gets your body moving and your energy flowing. We're talking about simple movements that anyone can follow, regardless of your dance experience or fitness level. Maybe we start with some shoulder rolls and hip sways to your favorite pump-up song. Already you're smiling, you're moving, and your body is preparing for what's about to come. Then we transition into the main event, the high-intensity intervals. But instead of burpees and mountain climbers, you're doing explosive dance moves that target every muscle in your body. Picture this: 30 seconds of high-energy salsa steps that get your heart rate soaring, followed by a brief recovery period where you're doing gentle sway movements. Then we hit another 30-second burst, maybe some hip-hop inspired moves that work your core and legs like crazy, followed by another recovery dance sequence. The beauty of this approach is that it doesn't feel like traditional exercise at all. You're not thinking about how many calories you're burning or how much your muscles are working, because you're completely immersed in the experience. The music is pumping, your body is moving naturally, and you're expressing yourself in a way that feels authentic and joyful. But let's talk numbers for a second, because I know some of you want the hard facts. A typical 30-minute Dance Party HIIT session can burn anywhere from 300 to 500 calories, depending on your intensity level and body weight. Compare that to a 30-minute walk, which might burn around 150 calories, and you can see why this approach is so effective for weight loss and body transformation. What makes this even more incredible is the variety factor. Unlike traditional cardio routines that can become monotonous, dance offers endless possibilities. One day you might be channeling your inner Latin dancer with some spicy salsa and bachata moves. The next day you could be throwing it back to the 80s with some classic aerobic-style dance moves. Maybe you're feeling the hip-hop vibe and want to incorporate some street dance elements. The possibilities are literally endless. This variety doesn't just keep things interesting, it also challenges your body in different ways. Different dance styles work different muscle groups and movement patterns. Latin dances might focus more on hip mobility and core strength, while hip-hop styles might emphasize explosive movements and coordination. This constant variation prevents your body from adapting to a routine, which means you'll continue seeing results and improvements over time. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Maybe you're thinking, this sounds amazing, but I have 2 left feet and absolutely no rhythm. First of all, let me tell you that rhythm can be developed, and second, you don't need to be a professional dancer to get incredible results from Dance Party HIIT. The most important thing is that you're moving your body with intention and energy. I've seen people who claimed they couldn't dance transform not just their bodies, but their entire relationship with fitness through this approach. When you remove the pressure of perfection and focus on the joy of movement, something magical happens. You start to discover muscles you didn't know you had. You begin to feel more confident in your body. You develop a sense of rhythm and coordination that carries over into other areas of your life. The mental health benefits of this approach cannot be overstated. We're living in a world where stress levels are through the roof, and many people are struggling with anxiety, depression, and general feelings of overwhelm. Traditional exercise can certainly help with these issues, but dance adds an extra layer of emotional release and expression that can be incredibly therapeutic. When you're dancing, you're not just moving your body, you're expressing emotions, releasing tension, and connecting with something deeper within yourself. The combination of physical exertion and creative expression creates a powerful cocktail for mental wellness. Many participants report feeling happier, more confident, and more energized not just during their workouts, but throughout their entire day. Let's talk about the social aspect for a moment. While you can absolutely do dance party HIIT workouts alone in your living room, there's something special about doing them with others. Whether it's joining a class at your local gym, participating in online group sessions, or even just dancing with your family members, the social component adds another layer of joy and motivation. There's something incredibly bonding about sweating, laughing, and moving together. It breaks down barriers, creates connections, and builds a sense of community that you don't typically find in traditional gym settings. Many people who struggle with the intimidation factor of regular fitness classes find that the inclusive, fun nature of dance makes them feel welcome and accepted regardless of their fitness level or experience. One of the most practical aspects of Dance Party HIIT is its accessibility. You don't need expensive equipment, a gym membership, or even a large space. All you need is enough room to move around a bit and access to music that gets you excited. This makes it perfect for busy lifestyles, travel situations, or anyone who prefers working out at home. The time efficiency factor is huge as well. Because of the high-intensity nature of the workouts, you can get incredible results in just 20 to 30 minutes. This makes it perfect for people who struggle to find time for longer workout sessions. You can literally fit an effective, mood-boosting, calorie-burning workout into your lunch break or before breakfast. For those of you who are concerned about proper form and safety, let me address that. While Dance Party HIIT is incredibly fun and accessible, it's still important to listen to your body and progress gradually. Start with lower intensity movements and shorter workout durations, then build up as your fitness level improves. Always warm up properly and cool down with some gentle stretches. If you have any pre-existing injuries or health conditions, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new exercise routine. The great thing about dance-based workouts is that they're highly modifiable. You can adjust the intensity, modify movements to accommodate any limitations, and still get an amazing workout. The music selection plays a crucial role in the success of your Dance Party HIIT sessions. Choose songs that genuinely get you excited and motivated. This might be current pop hits, classic rock anthems, Latin beats, or even throwback jams from your favorite decade. The key is selecting music that makes you want to move and elevates your energy. Consider creating different playlists for different moods or energy levels. Maybe you have a high-energy playlist for days when you want to go all out, and a more moderate playlist for days when you want to move, but don't want to push yourself to the limit. Having variety in your music selection will help keep your workouts fresh and exciting. As we start wrapping up, I want to leave you with some practical tips for getting started with your own Dance Party HIIT journey. First, start small. Even 10 to 15 minutes of dancing can make a difference in your mood and energy levels. Don't feel like you need to commit to hour-long sessions right away. Second, focus on consistency over perfection. It's better to do shorter workouts regularly than to do one perfect workout and then skip the next week. The key to seeing results and building a sustainable habit is showing up consistently, even when you don't feel like it. Third, don't be afraid to look silly. Some of the best workouts happen when you let go of self-consciousness and just let your body move however it wants to move. Your living room is a judgment-free zone, so use it to your advantage. Finally, track your progress in ways that matter to you. Maybe it's how you feel after your workouts, improvements in your energy levels throughout the day, changes in your sleep quality, or increases in your confidence. While weight loss and physical changes are certainly possible benefits, don't overlook the incredible mental and emotional benefits of this approach. Dance Party HIIT isn't just a workout trend, it's a lifestyle shift that can transform your relationship with fitness and movement. It's about finding joy in taking care of your body, expressing yourself authentically, and proving to yourself that staying healthy doesn't have to be a punishment. So here's my challenge for you. After watching this video, put on your favorite song and just start moving for 3 minutes. Don't worry about technique, don't think about calories, just connect with the music and let your body respond. I guarantee you'll feel different afterward, and that feeling might just be the beginning of a whole new fitness journey. If you're ready to dive deeper into Dance Party Hiit, make sure to subscribe to our channel because we're going to be sharing specific routines, music recommendations, and success stories from people who have transformed their lives through this approach. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a new workout, and let me know in the comments what type of music gets you most excited to move. Remember, fitness should enhance your life, not complicate it. Dance Party Hiit offers you a path to better health that's sustainable, enjoyable, and incredibly effective. Your body and mind will thank you for choosing joy over punishment, and I can't wait to see where this journey takes you.